In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add non-Steam games to Steam. If you have titles installed outside of Steam but want everything in one place, this is a quick and reliable way to keep your library organized. Once added, you'll be able to launch those games from your Steam library just like your regular Steam purchases, making your setup cleaner and easier to manage. First, open Steam by launching the Steam app on your computer. Give it a moment to start up and sign in. If Steam needs to update, let that finish so you're working with the latest version. You should be on the main window where you can see your library on the left. Next, open the Add a Game menu. Look to the very top of the Steam window for the menu bar. Click on Games, and in the drop-down, choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. If you prefer, there's a shortcut at the bottom left of the main window. Click the plus Add a Game button and select the same option there. Both paths open the same tool, so use whichever is easiest for you. A new window will appear showing a list of programs Steam detects on your computer. This list usually includes installed games, launchers, and other applications. Take a moment to scan through it. When you find the game you want to add, tick the checkbox to the left of its name. You can select more than one if you want to add multiple programs at once. If your game uses a separate launcher, you may see that launcher listed. Selecting it will still let you start the game through Steam afterward. With your choices checked, confirm the addition by clicking the Add Selected Programs button. Steam will close that window and return you to your library. Your newly added title will now appear in your library alongside your other games, typically marked to indicate it's a non-Steam shortcut. From here on, you can launch it straight from Steam like any other entry. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. Adding a non-Steam game creates a shortcut in Steam. It doesn't convert the game into a Steam purchase, and some Steam-specific features may vary by title. That said, this is a great way to centralize your collection and streamline how you start your games. And that's it! Open Steam, use the Add a Game menu, pick your installed game from the list, and click Add Selected Programs. You're ready to enjoy a cleaner, unified library.